Hi there! In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to grab the best NordVPN discount code for 2025 and finally stop overpaying for digital privacy and security. With one simple step, you'll unlock NordVPN's biggest available discount, and you don't need to enter any promo codes manually or dig through expired deals. Just click the link in the video description, and you'll be taken straight to NordVPN's official offer page with a discount already applied. At the time of recording, here's what the current pricing looks like. Basic comes in at just $3.39 per month, Plus is $4.39 per month, and Complete is $5.39 per month. Each plan is heavily discounted, saving you up to 70% depending on which option you choose. Let's break down the features so you know what you're getting. The basic plan is perfect for anyone looking for fast, secure, and private internet access. You get full access to NordVPN's global network of high-speed servers, strong encryption, and threat protection to block ads, trackers, and malicious websites. It's more than enough for everyday use. Streaming, shopping, and browsing all feel faster and safer. If you want a little more security, the Plus plan gives you everything in Basic and adds Threat Protection Pro, which works even when the VPN isn't running. You also get NordPass, their secure password manager, and a data breach scanner that alerts you if your login details are ever exposed online. Now, if you're someone who stores important files or just wants that extra layer of safety, the Complete plan gives you all the above plus 1 terabyte of encrypted cloud storage via NordLocker. It's a great option if you want secure backups and private file access wherever you are. Every plan comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means you can try NordVPN completely risk-free, and the sign-up process couldn't be easier. Once you pick your plan, just check out using your preferred payment method. They accept credit cards, PayPal, and even cryptocurrency. You can use your account on up to 10 devices at the same time, and the apps are super easy to install on Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and more. Whether you're at home, on public Wi-Fi, or traveling abroad, NordVPN keeps your connection encrypted and your data private. And once you're signed up, check out the tutorial I've linked in the description. It'll walk you through the setup process step by step, even if you've never used a VPN before. So if you're ready to protect your data, unblock content, and browse safely from anywhere, go ahead and tap the link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching and enjoy your NordVPN discount.